To sell a call option, go to Positions tab here, and then choose the option that you wanted to sell. In this example, I wanted to sell my Apple options, and so I'm going to swipe right on it. Apple 130 call April 30. I'm going to swipe right here, and then I'm going to click the buy or sell button here. And then as you can see here, the bid is 187, the ask price is 190. The bid and ask is close to each other, and that's good. And then I'm going to use the limit order, and then the limit price, since we are selling an option, closer to the bid price, the better to get filled. And so I just put in 187, and then I click sell, then send order. Then I'm going to go to orders here. So you can see here below, it got filled. Questrade notified us. It got filled at $1.87. If I go to orders here, executed, so you can see here, we have sold the option. And for more details here, and that's how you sell a call option on Questrade.